Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. My name is Timothy Hara, the masterpiece. On this channel, I do talk about travel content. Let me just say I travel a lot to showcase the beauty of Zambia. And if I'm not traveling, then which means that I am with my family. If I'm not with my family, then I'm at a business doing some grocery business. So this channel talks about three things: travel, family, business. Travel, family, business. If you love these three things, then it's your time to join this channel and be a member on this channel. Subscribe to the channel, and most of all, please check out my videos that I've traveled and my business videos that I've done, even my family videos. You're going to enjoy. So guys, I'm in this area which is here in Luansha. This is a place called Kamerinda. This is a new place. You can see and you can tell. Look at where I'm coming from. This is a new place, and this is a place where there are new plots, and a lot of plots here are being sold. And the houses that are here, they are so different from the old Kamerinda. You see, the beauty of this area is that everyone is inside. You see, everyone is building the house according to how he feels like, okay, me, I need to build my house in this way. And this is where you're going to see that this person who is building here has got money. You see, so there is that opportunity to have a good land here in Kamerinda, and there is that opportunity of you trying to know more about Zambia and what kinds of opportunities concerning the land, concerning the area, concerning the settlements here in Zambia and accommodations. So this is what is happening here in Wansha, guys. So guys, let's see what is happening in this other area. Let me show this. Let me show you this. New Kamerinda is another residential area which is near the road which goes to Rwansha Town Center and which goes to Kitwendola Road. So this is one of the beautiful residential area which is coming up, and there are new plots because there are so many empty places here. So guys, if you have an opportunity to visit this place, or if you have an opportunity to look for a land this area, you can go and look for a land here, because there is that opportunity. I know, you know, where people they are building, then which means there are also new plots which they are selling. I can tell you to say that this area has got some good plots, and the very big ones where you can live comfortably. And you know, it's very important to have a house which is near the road because of transportation and everything. So this is New Kamerinda. This is an area which is found here in Rwansha. As you are entering Rwansha, there is a poster which is called "Welcome to Rwansha," and this is the area before you go to Rwansha town center. So you can see how the beauty of this place is looking. This is so beautiful and so gorgeous. Wow, guys, look at this. This house looks as if it's the house for the president of Zambia, Mr. Hakainde Hichilema, in the new Kasama there. Same design, and the beauty, it's just the same. Hey, people are building, guys. People are building. People are building. This is a nice, nice place. Wow, so beautiful. Anyway, guys, life. So guys, these houses that you've seen, let me say, these houses that you are seeing here, I'm sorry, there is just a lot of glass here. So the houses that you are seeing here, they are near the road, which is the road that takes you to Rwansha town center, or that takes you to Ndola or Kitwe. That is the road. So this is a beautiful part of Rwansha. When you're coming from Rwansha, you're coming from Kitwe, and then let me say, you're coming from Ndola, you're coming from Kitwe, and then you're coming to this place. You're going to find a place where it is called Welcome to Rwansha, and this is where this area is. So it is one of the beautiful area. It is one of the area that it is improving each and every day. And it is one of the area that has got a lot of opportunities. Coming 3 years or 4 years, maybe there will be some shops somewhere here. There will be some shops. There will be some shops here, because this will be a busy place, I'm telling you. Let me say, it is just a busy place. So there will be some shops there. So it is a place where you can look for opportunities each and every day. So guys, take a look at this. Take a look at this. I had to buy this. I had to buy this for me to have my lunch here in Rwansha. So this is what I'm going to drink right now. This is Max here in Zambia. I'll freeze it. So guys, enjoy this video. Hey guys, so this is the video that we had for today. In case you need to watch the new Camerinda, the other video that we did, you can just look for from this channel. We have those videos about new Camerinda. So we are diving into this avenue, which is called Negundo Avenue. So please join me as we dive into the next video tomorrow. Thank you so much. May God bless you and stay well. I'm out.